Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone. My name is Kathy. There has been a new court filing in the matter styled as Steve Goncalves as personal representative of the estate of Kaylee Jade Goncalves, Karen Laramie as personal representative of the estate of Madison May Mogan, Jeffrey Kernodle as personal representative of the estate of Xana Alexia Kernodle, Stacy Chapin as personal representative of the estate of Ethan J. Chapin. Those are the four plaintiffs. The defendant, there is just one, Washington State University. This is the case that has been proceeding in federal court before the Honorable Judge Kimberly K. Evans. The document filed today, document number 22, is called Notice of Association, and what this essentially does is informs opposing counsel and the court, as well as the public, that another attorney has joined the defense team. Her name is Hannah Justice. She is now the third Assistant Attorney General representing Washington State University in this proceeding. This document, Notice of Association, reads as follows. You and each of you will please take notice that Assistant Attorney General Hannah Justice hereby associates with Jordan Jones and Connor Callahan of the Assistant Attorney General's office on behalf of the defendant, Washington State University, and requests that notice of any and all further proceedings in said action be served upon the undersigned attorney at the address stated below. Page 2, dated this 13th day of March 2026. And then in the signature block, it states Nicholas W. Brown. He is the Attorney General for the state of Washington. And then there appears to be Hannah Justice's electronic signature on this filing, along with her name, as well as the two other Assistant Attorney Generals and their contact information. What role will Attorney Justice play in this case remains to be seen. We are awaiting a pending ruling on the motion to transfer. Recall that back in January, 3 days after Washington State University moved to have the case removed from state court where the plaintiffs filed it to federal court, the Western District of Washington. They are seeking to have the case transferred to the Eastern District, and specifically at a courthouse closer than the courthouse where the case is proceeding now, which is Seattle, on the opposite end of the very large state of Washington, from Pullman, Washington, and Whitman County, whereas the defense asserted many of the key events described in plaintiff's complaint occurred at Pullman, where Washington State University Central Campus is located, where Mr. Koberger attended class, where Mr. Koberger worked as a graduate teaching assistant, and where he lived in off-campus housing. The plaintiffs are very, very vigorously opposing transfer. They want the case to remain exactly where it is. And at this time, all that remains is the court's ruling. Will the court find that the case should be moved? Will the motion be granted? Or alternatively, the court find the case should remain before her in the Western District, as the plaintiffs want? We are awaiting that ruling. When it hits the docket, we will, of course, notify you. Until next time, this is Kathy. Thank you for joining us here today.